Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fresh spinach dip. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 10 ounces of fresh spinach, which is about 2 large bunches. For the creamy base, grab 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1 cup of sour cream, and half a cup of mayonnaise. Don't forget your seasonings. A quarter teaspoon of garlic powder, a quarter teaspoon of onion powder, and a pinch of salt and black pepper to taste. Now that you have your ingredients, let's prepare the star of the show, the fresh spinach. Start by washing your 10 ounces of spinach very well to remove any dirt. Next, blanch it quickly in boiling water for about 30 seconds until it wilts. Immediately transfer it to an ice bath to stop the cooking. The most crucial step is to squeeze out every drop of excess water. This prevents a watery dip. With your spinach ready, it's time to create the delicious, creamy base for your dip. In a large bowl, combine the 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1 cup of sour cream, and half a cup of mayonnaise. Mix these ingredients until they are smooth and well combined. Then, stir in your seasonings. A quarter teaspoon of garlic powder, a quarter teaspoon of onion powder, and your desired amount of salt and black pepper. Finally, let's bring it all together. Gently fold the thoroughly squeezed spinach into your creamy base until it's evenly distributed. Once everything is mixed, cover the bowl and refrigerate your fresh spinach dip for at least 2 hours. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve it with your favorite crackers, pita bread, or fresh vegetables. For more great tips and deals, check the description below, including a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.